Hi, welcome back to Kamsi Parts Automotive channel. Today we're talking about one of the most important safety parts on your car, the tires. They're the only things between your car and the road, so proper care matters. Tires support the vehicle, transmit steering and braking forces, absorb road irregularities, and provide grip. Even small problems with tires can affect safety, fuel economy, and ride comfort. For common issues to know: wear, tread thinning over time, punctures from nails, glass, and road debris. Uneven wear occurs from misalignment, worn suspension, or inconsistent pressure. Poor pressure changes handling and wear. Left unchecked, these lead to reduced grip, longer stopping distances, vibration, and poor fuel economy. Potentially blowouts or loss of control. Watch for these signs: vibration through the steering wheel or seat, pulling to one side when driving straight, low tread, visible bald spots or shallow grooves, frequent pressure loss, tires that keep going flat. Yes, there are useful DIY checks and minor tasks you can do safely. Pressure checks use a reliable gauge and compare to the vehicle placard. Check monthly when cold. Visual inspection, look for cuts, bulges, embedded objects, and tread depth irregularities. Rotate tires. You can rotate tires yourself if comfortable with jacking and torque specs. Rotating helps even out wear. Replace tires. You can install new tires or have them mounted at a shop. Patching. Small punctures in the tread area can sometimes be repaired at a professional shop. If the puncture is on the sidewall or large, replace the tire. If you work on tires at home, use proper jacking points. Use jack stands, wheel chocks, and follow torque specs for lug nuts. If unsure, go to a shop. Simple prevention goes a long way. Check pressure monthly and before long trips. Rotate tires every 8 to 12,000 kilometers to even wear. Get wheel alignment if the car pulls to one side or after suspension work. Inspect tires visually after hitting potholes or curbs. Replace tires when tread is low or they show damage. Don't wait for a major problem. Myth: all tires wear evenly if you drive carefully. Reality: alignment, driving style, load, and pressure all change wear patterns. Rotating and checking pressure prevents surprises. Tires are simple but critical. Check pressure monthly, rotate every 8 to 12,000 kilometers, and get an alignment if the car pulls. If you notice vibration, pulling, low tread, or frequent pressure loss, have them inspected. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.